Welcome guys, my name's Charlotte. I'm from Women Fit and today I'm going to take you through a postnatal exercise video. Now just before we start, just make sure that you have got permission off your GP to exercise, okay? It's really important that you're 6 weeks after pregnancy or that little bit more. Make sure you've got plenty of water beside you, okay? And if you need to take a break at any time, then just sit out and return in. So we're going to be looking at the lower body today, okay, and your pelvic floor muscles. So they're a really big part of returning to exercise, okay? Getting that little bit stronger and feeling that a little bit better about yourself. You can do these in your front room, or you can do these outside or in the gym, wherever you feel most comfortable. So before we get going, just make sure that you're nice and warmed up, okay? And yeah, we'll hit the workout. So we're going to start with glute bridges. So just want you to take it down to the floor, okay? You might need a mat. If not, carpet is fine. Just make sure you've got plenty of space. And all I want you to do is lie down on the floor for me, okay? So you're going to make sure that your heels are nearest to your glutes and hands are just by your sides. Okay, make sure your legs are hip width distance apart. And all I want you to do, you're just going to raise off the floor, driving your heels into the floor and bringing your glutes up towards the ceiling. So just driving your heels into the floor. Now if you find this a little bit uncomfortable, then what you can do is just take your feet out that little bit further, okay? But to get the most out the workout, you need to bring your heels in nice and tight. So I want you to give me 10 to 20 repetitions. Maybe if you're just new to exercise after having your baby, then you just need to make sure that you stay with the lower reps. So give me 5 more. Nice big heel drive, and 3, last 2, and last 1 there. That's fine. And when you're ready, just bring yourself slowly up, okay? Bring it onto your knees. We're going to now take it into what we call a leg extension or a kickback. So got 2 different names, but they do exactly the same thing. So we're just going to strengthen the glutes and again targeting your pelvic floor. So what I want you to do is take your hands, okay, in line with your shoulders. All right, now make sure that your back has got a nice curve in it, okay? Make sure you're not too hunched up, all right, or you're not dipping too low, all right? So it's really important that we keep that lower back nice and curved. So right or left leg, whatever you feel more comfortable to start with. And all you're going to do is bring your knee off the floor and you're just going to extend your leg back and forth. So just taking your leg back and forth, pushing through. So it's really important that you really try and push that foot as far as it will go. So we're just going to go for 5 more on this side. Now you might start it to feel to burn. If you do, then just take a little break. Last 3, 2, 1, and relax. And then make sure that you change to the other leg. So want nice even tone. So you should start to feel this pull through your tummy muscles as well. So just nice, easy kick back. Just make sure you extend that leg back and forth and breathing in them abs nice and tight. And give me 5 more. That's it. 3, and last 2, and 1, and relax there. Okay, if you felt that you could have done a little bit more, that's absolutely fine. Just maybe take the rep range up that a little bit more, so maybe add 5 extra, okay? Or if you're feeling that you've got lots of energy, then go for 10, all right? But just remember, this is just easy, gentle exercise just to get back your pelvic floor muscles, okay? And that strengthen your lower body. So we're going to now take it to heel squeezes. So what I want you to do is just lie flat, okay, on your front and take your hands above your head. Now all I want you to do is you're going to grasp your heels together at the back and I just want you to lift off the floor. So you're just lifting your body, lift your hands and your heels up together. So up and down, nice and relaxed and nice and easy. So I just want you to give me 5 more of these. So you'll feel the stretch right down the front of your body. So it's really important that you really grasp them abs, okay, to get that feeling and strengthen that pelvic floor all the way through. Once you finish your 5 of them, bring yourself up, have a little breather, grab some water, and then reset again. So I recommend that you do this 3 times through, okay? And each time I want you to increase your rep range, all right, if you're feeling that you are able to do so. If not, just go for 3 sets, 10 reps, and then have a little break, and then the next day try and increase the number of reps that you do. I recommend you do this about 4 times a week, and you will see a massive difference in that pelvic floor. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.